Welcome to day 100. We're into three figures. It's John McLauchlan. We are promoting Clickbank products using myleadgensecret. This is a case study I've been doing since the beginning of January 2024. And yeah, day 100 already. So we're going okay. We're doing fairly well. Okay, let's jump onto Clickbank first and show you what's happened. So we've had two sales yesterday and another sales come in today. And we're going to refresh the page. Okay, so let's go on to reporting, see what the stats are. Right, I'll get it on the right date. There's going to be some scrolling back when we're into the winter. Right, so 25,922 hops, 515 impressions, 44 new business sales, 8.54 on the conversion rate, and 14.37 on the gross earnings. On the total sales, including rebills, 74. Okay, so currently we had 5 on the social paid, which is the new product, and 39 on the social sales rep. I want to see more on the social paid. It hasn't really kicked in. And I don't know if it's because I'm promoting. The thing is with social paid, it talks about general social media, and there are multiple different types of landing pages. So that the emails are kind of slightly different, and also they talk about different things. They talk about YouTube. They're talking about Instagram. We're currently talking about Instagram. Then we talk about Facebook. So it's social media in general. So I might review the situation. I said yesterday that I was getting a little bit nervous, but we'll just have to see. I mean, we're the 13th right now, currently 8.2% on the conversion rate, so it's kind of averaging out, but it's not popping really. So anyway, we'll see what we can do with that. So myleadgensecret, where we are, here we are. If you don't know what myleadgensecret is, go and have a look at the description below on this video, and what it's going to do, that's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Okay, and you can click there where it says click to join, okay, or learn more. Okay, so click that, and what I've got on there is a video that really explains how to get started with myleadgensecret, what it is. This is what I call my day 0 video, and have a look through it, okay, and just watch that video. And like I said, everybody online wants to make money online. Everybody wants to make money online, and this is one of the easiest ways to do it, using myleadgensecret, because it gives you 100 co-registration leads into your account every single day, and you can build from that. And I'm just showing you what I do with myleadgensecret, promoting Clickbank products. So have a look at that video in the description just below. And again, if this is the first time you have seen my channel, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button just below and give us a thumbs up as well if you get some value from this video. So we're going to go to the mailing system. What I've done, I've put together a number of different emails. If you look at the video yesterday, I just showed you the process of how I put an email together. It's fairly straightforward, and it is a trade that you will learn. Right, so we're going to grab, today we're talking about helping a yogi, is it they call them yogis? Okay, who upload stuff on Instagram. Okay, so my subject line was a little bit different. $150 per day, flexing your downward dog on Instagram, first name. Okay, let's see what happens with that. So I'm going to grab, email's quite small, okay, but that's not too bad because it's very congruent with the landing page. And again, I got this email from the short ads over on the all the vendor stuff that the vendor puts together on Clickbank. See what Right, we'll change that. Yeah, okay, change that as well. Right, okay, so that's the content of the email today. Nice and short. And we're going to copy the affiliate link. I'm just going to put one in today because putting two it's a little bit of a short email to put two in. Okay, normally I put one at sort of up here somewhere around there, but I'm not going to today. Where are we on? One bold. Good, done. Right, let's just right, good. Perfect timing. Let's have a look at the preview. Right, there we go. That's it. Simple, straightforward. Let's see what happens. Right, let's go and send. Let's go and send the email and see what happens tomorrow or today, or probably it'll be tomorrow now when people get the email. Right, so we're just going to go and what do I say? Grab the subject line. In fact, what I'll do, I'll just paste it in here. I'm going to paste this into my notepad. And I'm going to go and grab the source. Where are we? Source code. Control AC. And I'm going to go Control V. Right, I'm going to log out of this and log in to account number 2. Mailing system, select all leads. Source code, Control A, C. That didn't work. Control A, it's V. Oh, if I just, yeah, I don't know. Right. I've just pasted in. I've just pasted this in now. Okay, source, Control A, V. There we go. So we'll change that for number 2. Perfect timing. Send email. Go. Right, 2 more accounts to do and we're done. Real simple day today. Just nice simple email. And again, sometimes when you keep things real simple, that's when things can happen. Right, account number 4. One more account to do. Again, a lot of people get multiple accounts. I know one person has got 10 accounts, okay, and obviously got a lot of leads and is doing fairly well. But the more accounts you get, the more successful you're going to be. You know, just in terms of you stack the odds in your favour. But you've got to be consistent. You've got to be consistent with what you do. So it doesn't matter if you've got 10 accounts or 1,000 accounts. If you're not going to email, it's just going to cost you a lot of money. Okay, so really important just to be consistent. You don't have to do anything majorly special either. If you look at some of the people earning, 6 figures, 7 figures online, they're just talking to people. They're just communicating with people, but they're doing it every single day. All right, let's go perfect timing. Let's go send email. There we go. We are done. What's that? Crack, that's 10 minutes. How quick was that? Right, so let's have a quick look at Clickbank. I always refresh the page to see if anything else has come in. It never has. It never does, because the sales, what I've noticed as well is the sales usually come in mid-afternoon or later on into the evening when I'm in the UK. So it's kind of in the morning. So if you think about what people are doing in the week, 10 o'clock, maybe 10:30, maybe they're having a tea break in front of the computer. They're going, let's have a look at this. Right, let's go on align with, let's get some products. Okay, so that is a time when I'm making sales. Is it around then? Either tea break or when people get home from work, and people want to do something when they're getting from work, tired, annoyed. So that's it really. So it's real simple. My Lead Gen Secret, get your accounts, send Clickbank offers to them, and do it every day, and you'll make sales. Okay, and what we're doing here is we're making recurring income sales. So these numbers, the sort of the average revenue we're making right now is around $600 a month. Let's see if I can. What are we on now? We're on 13th, so we go from March 13th to April the 13th. Yeah, $630. That's just a month. Just clicking send. All right, it works. Okay, and you also get your commissions from My Lead Gen Secret. And that's monthly recurring income as well. So there's a lot of different ways to do this. And if you look at the fact, okay, if I said to you, we haven't just made one sale, we're doing on average $1,000 a month now. That is sort of income where you can start to make a change, and either enjoy your lifestyle and go out a bit more, or start paying some bills, or do whatever you want, but it does make a difference. Okay, particularly when you're working full time as well, so you're adding to your revenue, your monthly revenue. And what we've done, 12 minutes, 12 it's just crazy sometimes, 12 minutes a day. So there we go. Anyway, if you've got some value from this, hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and I will see you on. Again, I always say, if you've got any questions, put your questions below. Okay, if you've got any questions about this strategy, if you've got any questions about starting with My Lead Gen Secret, or if you're not quite sure what to do, if you're not quite sure what to ask, then ask me a question, and I'll always answer it as straightforward as possible. Okay, so there we go. I'll see you on the session tomorrow. Bye for now.